Are you craving a nature escape without the crowds? Picture this. Nestled in the rugged landscapes of Albania are waterfalls so untouched and pristine you'd think you stepped into a painting. Today, I'll reveal one of my favorite secrets, Gruna's Waterfall in Theth. Getting there? It's a scenic 2-hour hike through untouched trails, but every step is worth it. Insider tip: start early to catch the morning light filtering through the trees. It's pure magic. This spot is a must for those who want to connect deeply with nature away from tourist hubs. So, ready to step off the beaten path and redefine adventure? Let's go!